These three patterns are a powerful tool to add rhythm to your chord charts because they are suitable for almost any song, incredibly easy to play, and will make you sound like a pro. So, even as a beginner, you'll be able to play it. Let's go! Let's get started with the first pattern and make sure to download the PDF file for free with all those patterns. The link is in the description down below. So to explain the pattern, let's use an example, the C major chord, which is C, E, G on the right hand, and left you play C as root, but you're gonna double the C one octave down like this. So you have this sound. And for the pattern, you play everything together and then just play the top note on the left and repeat all notes on the right. So the first part, all together, left, right. And then you play a note at a time on the right hand, like this. This is called arpeggio. So again, everything together, top note on the left, everything together right, one note at a time. Again, all together, left, all together right, one note at a time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's it for the pattern. And let's do one more, E minor. So E, G, B with E, doing octaves as well, like this. And you apply the same rhythm over here. So play everything together and then repeat the top note. And a quick tip over here. So when you play the left hand doing octaves, make sure to hold the bottom note and only repeat the top. You sounds better. So again, everything together, top, right, arpeggio. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now let's apply the same pattern to a song. As an example, I'm using the song Viva la Vida by Coldplay. And two important things here. First, I'm not trying to cover the song, so the rhythms are different on purpose. Second, for all the next patterns, I'm using exactly the same song. So that way you can notice at home how versatile these patterns are. About the song, the chord progression are C major, again, so we already covered that. New one, D major, D, F sharp, E with D, which I will play doing exactly the same pattern. Everything together, left, together, arpeggio. G major, a new one. G, B, D with G, exactly the same pattern, everything together, left, right, arpeggio, and again, E minor, which we already covered. So let's listen how it sounds with the vocals. Second pattern, this one is a really good one for the left hand. And by the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for a beginner, I will leave a link of my course in the description down below. back to the lesson. Let's learn the pattern. So again, C major as an example, C, E, G. For the right hand, just play and hold it. That's it. And for the left, you're gonna play again the C major. This time, play all the notes, C, E, G. Actually, just play all the notes just to help you visualize what you need to do. So again, all the notes, and you gotta read of the third note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the third, 1, 2, 3, and gotta read of this note. And then you have the first note and the fifth note. And then you go to the first note, which is a root note, and you double over here. So now we have C, G, and C. It's almost done, and we are missing one note for our pattern works. And for that, you go to this note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is just the root double, and then you count 3 keys, 1, 2, 3. So the pattern are C, G, C, D. You play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, all notes, the other read, double the root, and counting 3 notes. 1, 2, 3. And for the right hand, just play and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you prefer the theory way, we are playing root, 5th, 8th, and 9th. Let's do one more. E minor again. So E minor, E, G, B. That's it for the right hand. Left. Get rid of the third. Repeat double the root over here. So E, B, E. And then this note you count 3 keys. 1, 2, 3. Which in this case, F sharp. So left hand, E, B, E, F sharp. Or root, 5th, 8th, 9th. Playing all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now I'm gonna apply exactly the same pattern, but I'm doing the chord progression of the song, which is C, D, G, and E minor, but doing exactly the same rhythm pattern. Let's listen to.
I used to rule the world, seas would rise when I came, but now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to go, I used to run the tides, feel the fear in my insides. Listen as the crowd sing. Now the old kid is dead. Don't make me kill.
The third pattern is one of my favorites because we are moving around through the octaves. So for this pattern, as an example, let's use again the C major to start. So C major, C, E, G. But now, my friends, instead you play just C, E, G, you're gonna repeat the C as well in 1 octave higher, like this. So C, G, C is the root, you repeat like this. It's important to you visualize the chords like this and the C separately. So you get that in a minute. So back to the left hand, you're gonna play the root and double the root like this and repeat the top notes. Playing everything together, you're gonna start playing the only 3 notes of the chord. So over here, repeat left. But remember the top note as our octave. So you're gonna repeat this octave, but get rid of the root down below. So you play like this, first over here, and then first over here. You're basically moving the C to the top, but almost playing everything together will help you to visualize how easy it is to play this thing. So again, play over here, repeat, and play the top. Play over here, repeat, top. You sound like this, 1, 2, 3. Of course, you can play like this and move your hands entirely. But if you don't have this ability yet, just play like this and then repeat these 3 notes in these movements. It's gonna be so much easier to play this pattern. Again, 1, 2, 3. Let's do one more, E minor. So the same thing, E minor is over here, double the root, but for the first time play just the 3 notes and then this root. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can move your entirely hand like this, no problem. Left hand, just the root. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now for the song, exactly the same thing. C major, D major, G major, and E minor. And sometimes during the performance I'm gonna play this way, just not moving the hands actually. And sometimes I will move my entire hand like this, just to show you the 2 options. So let's listen to.
I used to
And to learn ways to fill your pattern like this, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Ciao!